What's going on, everybody? On YouTube, Steve here, Raiken Profit, RaikenProfit.com. Come back to you guys with another video. I am in a beautiful field right now, getting some exercise. And I want to talk about something that I've been thinking about. And this is really going to help you to accomplish your goals. Each and every one of us, we have a reason. We have a driving force why we are going towards our goals. And there's an honest part that we think about, and then there's a dishonest part as well, a part that we don't admit to ourselves. And a lot of people, they say, you know, I'm trying to lose this weight, or I'm trying to accomplish a goal, start a business, so on and so forth, because I want to, you know, support my family, or I want to be able to have my freedom, or, you know, I want to be able to, you know, be able to live a life of choice and design. But the thing is, most people are really doing it to just impress other people. They're doing it for significance. They're doing it because they want to feel unique. They want to, you know, like, for example, for myself, like, so many times I wanted to, like, grow my income, build my business, to make my family proud, or to almost, like, not show off, but just kind of like be the man, you know what I mean? Like, and the thing is, you're gonna always be disappointed when you're trying to succeed for other people. You know, there was a time when I wasn't making more than $25,000 a year. I was driving a broken down car. I was $23,000 in debt. I was out of shape, unhealthy. I mean, I was the epitome of, in my eyes, I felt like a loser. And the thing is, when you succeed, there's gonna be people who congratulate you, but most people that you think are your friends, even family members, they're not gonna throw a party for you. They're not gonna all of a sudden say, you know, wow, like, you're so amazing, congratulations, you lost all this weight, congratulations, you just purchased your brand new dream car, like, oh my God, you are so amazing. Like, so many people, we think that when we accomplish our goal, the world's gonna throw a party for us. And the thing is, most people, I've learned, and this is just my opinion, most people are focused on themselves. Most people are focused on their lives. Most people, like yourself and myself, we have tons of problems and challenges and things that we're focused on. And when we're younger, and I'm sure a lot of you folks who are a little more aged, and, you know, maybe you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, you realize this, and I've realized this at an early age, that most people aren't focused on you. And when you accomplish your goals, you've got to do it for yourself. You've got to have real reasons that when you know, when you're going for it and when you accomplish it, you're proud, you're fulfilled, because most people aren't going to be as happy for you as you think. And I found this to be true. You know, I just recently got my dream car, and I can't tell you how many friends of mine, they didn't even congratulate me. You know, there are a bunch of people who, you know, are just like so impressed by it and this and that and really happy for me. But I have a lot of friends who, it's almost like they're jealous and they won't congratulate you. And the same thing happened when I lost all the weight and stuff. There's some people, they just don't want to give you that credit because it's a reflection of themselves in terms of what they haven't been able to accomplish. So I know I'm kind of going off at a tangent, but the point I'm trying to make is, make sure that your reasons for whatever it is that you want in life are gonna fulfill you and are for the right, how do I put it? You wanna make sure that the reason why you're doing it isn't just to impress other people. I've made this mistake and I'm not perfect. You know, I just got back from a Tony Robbins conference, and one of my driving forces, and I can't help it, it's just how I'm kind of wired at this point, is to build significance and to impress other people. And I don't know why. Maybe it's from my childhood, maybe it's, you know, not having all the things that I wanted, or maybe when I was getting, you know, when I was younger, I used to get picked on quite a bit, so I don't know what it is. But I can tell you right now, trying to do it for other people to make them happy, you're gonna be disappointed every single time. So find a reason that really makes you proud. For me, one of the reasons why I love to accomplish my goals, and I've really found it to be beneficial, is just helping people and serving others. I find it, like, I would rather give $1,000 to somebody than to receive it myself. Like, that's how I've become at this point. And that's kind of my reason, is just helping and serving and making a difference. But you gotta find your reason, you know, whether it's your children, or it's, you know, helping out, you know, your mother or your father, to help pay for their mortgage, or to help them to, you know, have a better retirement. I don't know what that is for you, but just want to share my thoughts with you guys as I'm growing and I'm evolving and I'm, you know, becoming the best version of myself. I like to think there's so many lessons that I learn, and I just want to share them with you guys. So appreciate you all watching. If you enjoyed this, you know, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and let me know what's your #1 driving force in your life. Why are you going after all your goals? Why are you trying to get in the best shape of your life? Why are you trying to build a business? What's your reason for wanting to double, triple your income, or to just maintain your freedom and your lifestyle? What is it? I would be curious to hear. All right, guys, thanks for watching.